Hello everyone, welcome to the Scrum Master certification course. Now for your benefit and understanding, we have divided the course into several modules. So the first module, we will be covering the introduction, which talks about what is Agile and how different it is from the waterfall model. The Agile Manifesto, the Agile principles, the main Agile methodologies, the Scrum framework, and to end up, we have some quiz and activities. The second module, we will cover the Scrum team basically, which will mainly comprise of the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the development team. And again, at the end, there will be some quiz, which will help us to clarify our understanding and clear our doubts. The third module, we have the Scrum events, which talks about sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, sprint retrospective, and at the end, there are some quiz and activities. The fourth one will have the Scrum artifacts, which talks about the product backlog, the sprint backlog, and the increments. Again, to end up with it, we have some quiz. Fifth, we have the mock questions. So we have provided around 160 mock questions for your exam preparation purpose. So this will not only help you to clear your exams, but will also help you to, clarify your doubts and have a basic understanding of the Scrum methodology. And last but not the least, we have some tips and tricks for you to clear the exam. My name is Ipshita and I'll be your trainer for this course. I have a total 14 years of experience, of which 10 years has been mainly into Agile, training different teams in Agile methodologies and ensure that the deliveries are completed within the timelines. And I also help different projects to identify which methodology would be best suited for them, whether to use Kanban, whether to use Scrum. And my main intention or aim is to ensure that people within the development team inculcate the Agile mindset and is able to work within the Agile team and get the full advantage of Agile methodologies. Thank you. So let's get started with the course. A quick introduction before we get started with today's topic is this course is basically designed to help you understand the different Agile ways of working, but we will be doing a deep dive into the Scrum framework. So as you know, there are different flavors of Agile. So we will definitely touch base upon them, but our main focus in this course is going to be the Scrum framework. And also post going through this course, you will be in a good position to appear for the Scrum certification examination, definitely. And you can also apply the learning in your, the professional journey, in your projects, in the work that you're doing. And the course comes with some multiple quiz activities. So please make sure that you run through them for your better understanding of the concepts.